Here are two ways to add a contact on WhatsApp. So the first way is go to your cell icon, enter the number, click add number, create new contact, and then just add first name, last name, whatever details you want to add that's available. So that's the first way. And when you add it, they will be automatically shown in your WhatsApp if of course they have WhatsApp. The other way is to open WhatsApp, go to the top right and click on new contact. Same thing, enter their name, last name, phone number, or you can even scan their QR code to add them automatically that way, and it's much faster and easier. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video did help you out, let me know what is the problem and I'll do my best to help you.